Imagine this. You're staring at a losing trade, heart pounding, whispering to yourself, why me again? But what if that doubt is your biggest enemy, not the market? Stick around, because in the next 30 minutes, you'll discover 10 game-changing principles from The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas that'll transform you from a frustrated beginner into a disciplined stock market warrior, gaining the mental edge to trade with calm confidence and consistent profits. We're diving deep, step by step, just for you new traders feeling overwhelmed. Principle 1, embrace the probabilistic mindset. Trading isn't about being right every time. It's about playing the odds like a smart gambler who knows the house edge. As a beginner, you might chase certainty, but markets are random. Douglas teaches that accepting uncertainty frees you from fear. Think of it like weather forecasting. You can't control the rain, but you can prepare with an umbrella. Did you know 90% of traders fail not from bad strategies, but from ignoring probabilities? Shocking, right? Picture a newbie trader who bets big on one sure stock, loses it all, and quits. Contrast that with the pro who spreads risks across probabilities. Start journaling your trades with a probability score from 1 to 10. Do this daily to build that mindset. Principle 2, develop self-trust through consistency. You can't trust the market if you don't trust yourself first. Build it by sticking to rules no matter what. Douglas says inconsistency breeds doubt. As a beginner, treat trading like brushing your teeth. Automatic, non-negotiable. Consistency wins, consistency protects. Consistency builds empires. Ever skipped a gym day and regretted it? Trading's the same. One slip cascades into chaos. A beginner ignores their entry rules on a whim, takes a wild trade, and watches losses pile up, while the disciplined one follows through and sleeps easy. Create a simple 3-rule checklist for every trade. Review it aloud before hitting buy. Principle 3, master emotional detachment. Emotions are your trading kryptonite. Learn to observe them without letting them drive. For beginners, fear and greed hijack decisions. Douglas urges viewing trades like a scientist views experiments. Objective, unemotional. Before you panic sell at a dip, after you breathe and stick to the plan, stop, breathe, listen to that inner voice. Is it logic or panic? Imagine driving in heavy traffic. You don't smash the brakes every second. You stay calm, just like detaching from a volatile stock swing. Practice 1-minute meditations before trading sessions. Focus on breath to detach from market noise. Principle 4, create a solid trading plan. Without a plan, you're gambling blindly. Douglas insists on mapping your strategy like a roadmap for a cross-country drive. As a beginner, outline entries, exits, and risks up front. This blueprint keeps you grounded when markets whirl. It's like school homework. Without a study plan, you flunk. With one, you ace the test. Studies show planned traders outperform improvisers by 300%. Why risk it? A novice jumps into stocks without rules, gets burned on hype. The planner waits for signals and profits steadily. Write your trading plan on paper tonight. Include max risk per trade at 1% of capital. Principle 5, accept losses as tuition. Losses aren't failures, they're lessons. Douglas reframes them as the cost of education in the market school. Beginners often quit after a hit, but embracing losses builds resilience. Turning pain into power, accept it, learn from it, move on. Before a loss crushes you, after it fuels smarter trades. Think of a boxer taking punches. Each one teaches defense. Similarly, a losing trade teaches better risk management for the next round. After every loss, note one lesson in your journal. Do this immediately to reframe it positively. Principle 6, focus on process, not profits. Chasing quick wins blinds you. Douglas emphasizes perfecting your process, and profits follow naturally. For beginners, outcome obsession leads to rash moves. Shift to daily habits for long-term gains. Like planting seeds. You water daily, not yank them up early. Remember the tortoise and hare? Slow, steady process beats flashy sprints in trading too. A beginner fixates on daily P&L, stresses out, and quits. The process-focused one reviews habits weekly and builds wealth over months. Track your adherence to process, not profits, in a weekly scorecard. Aim for 90% compliance. Principle 7. Manage risk ruthlessly. Risk is the silent killer. Douglas teaches capping it to survive the market storms. Beginners often bet the farm. Instead, protect your capital like a fortress, ensuring you live to trade another day. Calculate, limit, protect. Risk big, lose big. Risk small, win over time. Driving without a seatbelt is reckless. Same with trading without stop losses. One crash, market drop, ends it all. Set a hard rule. Never risk more than 1% of your account on any single trade. Enforce it now. Principle 8. Cultivate patience in waiting. Impatience destroys beginners. Douglas advises waiting for high-probability setups like a hunter in the wild. Rushing into trades is a trap. Patience preserves capital and spots real opportunities. Wait. Watch. Win. Ever burned your mouth on hot food? That's impatience. Trading's no different. Cool off first. A hasty beginner buys every dip, racks up fees. The patient one waits for confirmation and catches the big uptrend. Use a wait timer. Count to 60 before entering any trade to build patience muscle. Principle 9. Learn from every trade. Trading is endless school. Douglas stresses reviewing trades to evolve from novice to master. Beginners skip analysis, repeating mistakes. Turn every session into a growth opportunity. Like reviewing game tapes in sports, you spot weaknesses and improve. Before, blind repetition. After, informed evolution. After a win, a beginner parties. After review, they realize luck played a part and tighten rules for sustainability. End each trading day with a 5-minute review. What went well? What to improve? Make it a habit. Principle 10. Build long-term discipline. Discipline isn't a one-off. It's a lifestyle Douglas builds through daily commitment, turning habits into unbreakable armor. For beginners, it starts small but compounds. Over time, it separates winners from the crowd. Stop, commit, grow. Douglas notes disciplined traders last decades, while others burn out in months. Which will you be? Like marathon training, you don't run 26 miles day one. You build mileage, just as you build trading discipline trade by trade. Set a 30-day discipline challenge. Follow all principles daily, track progress in an app. There you have it, the 10 principles from the disciplined trader that flip the script from emotional roller coasters to steady climbs. By applying these, you'll trade with the calm of a pro, watch your confidence soar, and finally see those consistent wins you've been chasing. Remember, beginner, discipline isn't punishment. It's your ticket to freedom in the stock market. If this fired you up, hit like, subscribe to Self-Help Audio for more trading wisdom, and share with a fellow beginner. Let's build that disciplined community together.